Hey, your Technical Wizard here, and you're watching the Technical Wizard's World. Subscribe!
Warning. The actions taken in this video are extremely risky. I will not take any responsibility for personal injuries. Do this at your own risk.
Hey everybody, Technical Wizard here. And here I have a Macbook battery. My video production teacher gave this to me. Thank you for this. It's bloated, and today I'm going to attempt a repair on it. As you can see, I've already done the top packages, which I'm going to do this little bottom one right here just to see if I can even get to the other ones. But what you want to know is, first of all, do not use anything made of metal, like scissors, like that, or a screwdriver, anything that's metal, because if you do, then it'll be a risky operation, and it could blow up. So use plastic, like a toothpick or something that has like a little pointy end, and do not point down towards it, do it sideways, so that you don't hit the metals inside the battery. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to hold your breath and then poke the hole inside, push all the gases out, keep holding your breath, and then put some tape over it like that, something like this, and then fan the gases away, and then, you know, just make sure the tape's on good. So here we go. I'm going to attempt this, so here we go. Yeah, okay. So in the end, it's going to look a little like that. It's going to be, the size is decreased, which I'm going to make sure that's on there good. But that's what you should do when you're trying to refurbish a MacBook battery. Okay guys, I'm inside now. As you can see, there's dark night. Now I'll show you why I have that Dell monitor hooked to it in another video. But okay, here's the battery that I fixed, and here is the white MacBook that I found at the junkyard. We're going to go ahead and take this good battery out, which I got for Christmas. I'll show you in a second. As I can see, this battery does hold a charge. So we're going to go ahead and put this battery in. And it actually fits. Cool. So this is going to be my own fault if it explodes, which is sticking out, but whatever. It's just because the casing's a bit on it. Drop pad feels alright. Alright, let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay. Okay, we haven't blown up yet. Check the bottom of it. Yeah, this battery's probably dead, but bring the tripod over. Here's the white Mac booting up. There. Just so you can see it. But the charger light is green. It's not yellow, so it's probably not charging. Which I'm not surprised it doesn't charge, because that battery is old. Okay. Go ahead and log on to it. Okay, I put the good old leopard wallpaper on here. Alright, let's see. Oh, it came up. Condition, replace now. This trackpad sounds weird because this battery's in there. Yeah. The battery's not charging. But either way, oh, come on, quit being dumb. Okay, let's go to About This Mac. More info. Yep, there we go. System report. No one cares about Google. Let's see, power. Wow, 631 battery cycles. That's probably why this battery doesn't work anymore. But anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Maybe this video will help you in the future. So like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. See y'all later.